This neat car is a Pontiac GTO Judge. Happens to be for sale. You can see the specifics in the windshield in a minute. It's an orange in color, decals, hood mounted tack. It certainly is a car that you couldn't miss, really. There are the details: automatic transmission, power steering and brakes, air conditioning, which is very important. And stabilizer in the back. Nice black interior. There's the console with the automatic. And a hint of that machine-turned trim there, together with the wooden facsimile. Now on the back we have the tail lights integral with the bumpers. Very nice. The DJ, I guess, at this show in Riverside Park there in Daytona had it for sale. Was mentioned seeing him if you were interested in buying it. And this is on October the 27th that I saw this car, videoed it. Nice looking Judge. It would definitely get yours and other people's attention.